This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Renata Mason. Country Oasis on 9+ acres on Dead End Lane. Looking for a reasonably priced home with room for your toys in a park-like setting? Open floor plan with beautiful brand new kitchen featuring hickory cabinets, granite counters, huge island, new appliances, new LVP flooring. Spacious living room with wood stove and slider out to deck. This home has wonderful outdoor living spaces with 2 decks, wired for hot tub and a fire pit. 2-car detached garage with shop area, 3-bay lean-to. Lots of room for your vehicles, projects, and toys. For more information, review the details below.